How to buy waves on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy waves on Trust Wallet. So first thing, we go to Trust Wallet. Now you choose buy here and you need to search for the wave coin. As you can see, here is the wave coin. Click on it like this and choose the amount of money that you want to invest on this coin. Now it's not available, but I'm sure if you are watching this video it's gonna be available. And then click next after you choose the amount of money that you want to invest, and everything will be done in easy, fast way. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.